how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another project of ours in Southern California, specifically in Rancho Palos Verdes. It's kind of a nice, cool winter day, not winter day, spring day, but you'd think it was winter because we have that nice marine layer by the ocean. So we're doing a retrofit of a drip job that was installed incorrectly. Right now the boys are doing some valve work. We're installing a fertigation unit as well. If you notice, I said a drip renovation project of a job that was installed incorrectly. Just to give you a tidbit of some of the stuff that's going on in this particular project, is that we're kind of identifying and just laying out where everything is located. We found a valve box. Valve boxes are typically located, they install with a clean out installed in them. This particular guy has an ARV, an air relief valve, installed. Now ARVs, those are a very important component of a drip system when it is properly installed. Unfortunately, this particular ARV, it's installed below ground. So in order for air relief valve or ARV to properly function, it should be installed at the highest point elevation-wise in a drip system. So when it's installed below ground, well, that certainly is not the highest point. So it's improperly installed, therefore it will not function properly to cause air to enter the zone when it is in the off position. So to say it in a different way, it's pointless to install them in that location. Why even bother doing it? If we take another look at the drip system that's installed, here we have a willow tree, and this type of micro spray irrigation or drip irrigation, micro tubing, it's great when the tree is very first installed to give it water in that immediate 15-gallon area. However, it's no longer needed. They were thinking ahead, and they did provide a bubbler about 3 feet away from the trunk of the tree, which is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and keep that guy installed. However, we're just gonna add an additional valve so that it operates independent of the rest of the drip tubing that we will be installing throughout the planter area here. There's different areas like vegetable gardens, so different type of micro tubing and drip irrigation are going to be installed throughout the property. We're going to be installing the Rainbird irrigation timer with the Wi-Fi control on it, so they could have complete control from their iPad as well. So a lot going on. This is just a very small front yard. The backyard, phenomenal backyard. We'll do more videos on that to come. But just another drip renovation. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.